Welcome to this guide on adding portfolio projects to your WordPress website. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable and showcase your portfolio efficiently, giving your work the visibility it deserves. Portfolio projects are perfect for highlighting your best work, whether for clients, employers, or personal branding, and this guide will make the process simple. Start by opening your web browser and going to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click the login option. This opens the sign-in page where you'll see multiple authentication methods. For convenience and security, choose Continue with Google. Select the account linked to your WordPress site, which streamlines your login and avoids the need for additional passwords. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Settings panel. This area allows you to manage multiple aspects of your site. Within Settings, locate the Writing section, which houses controls for portfolio projects. In the Writing section, find the option labeled Portfolio Projects. This feature is often represented by a toggle or checkbox. Turn it on to enable the portfolio functionality, which allows your site to display your work in a professional and organized manner. Activating this ensures that your site can handle diverse content types, making your portfolio visually appealing to visitors. Finally, click Save Changes to apply the new settings. Saving is essential to confirm the activation and ensure your portfolio projects appear on your site. Once saved, you can start adding your work and organizing it for display. Portfolio projects now function seamlessly, allowing you to showcase your creations effectively and professionally. By following these steps, logging in via Google, accessing settings, enabling portfolio projects, and saving changes, you've set up a system for highlighting your best work. Every step is designed to be user-friendly and secure, giving your WordPress site enhanced functionality. Now, your portfolio is ready to impress visitors, and you can manage and update it with ease. Enjoy showcasing your projects in a visually organized and professional way. Happy WordPress using!